So if you look at 3D printing or additive manufacturing, it initially started with form, fit, function verification, then it grew into prototyping, and then it got into manufacturing aids quite a bit. Recently, there have been a lot of developments in composites, high-performance polymers, and metals, which really enable end-use applications as well as real production applications where 3D printing can be used. So this evolution has been happening over the last 30 years and is really taking additive manufacturing into a realm where it can compete with traditional manufacturing. It will never replace it, but there are certain applications that get enabled because of the benefits that 3D printing offers and the benefits that are enabled due to the development of metals and composites and high-performance polymers. So I have attended shows in Europe and US for the past 20-30 years. This is my first time at AMTech. I'm very pleasantly surprised with the mix that there is there. There are OEMs who make 3D printers, there are software companies, there is focus on applications. Prototyping is a big area to grow. Casting and foundry processes can use 3D printing as well. So it's a very good mix of different elements of 3D printing that we are seeing out in Europe and US that are emerging here at this point.